welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And Holi is around the corner, so I had to share a very yummy-licious fusion dessert recipe with all of you guys, and here I am with one. And I'm here to share my Paan Chocolate recipe with you guys. Yes guys, this recipe is one of the most quickest recipe possible, and I made it with such less amount of ingredients. This is a very nice fusion recipe, and you can also gift it to your loved ones, send it to them as a hamper, or even have it in your Holi parties. You can prepare this dish one day prior to Holi and then serve it to your guests. I am sure this dish will get you loads and loads of appreciation. So if you want to know how you can prepare Paan chocolate very easily at home within no time, then please keep on watching the video till the end.
For this, I got ready-made pans from outside pan shop, and these pans were the meetha pan. They did not have any supari in it, so just keep that in mind. I grinded them using a mixer to form a really nice thick paste of this pan. Then for the chocolate, I am melting the white compound chocolate here using the microwave technique. I am just microwaving it for 30 seconds. I will give another round of 30 seconds of microwave to the white chocolate, and then I'm just gonna mix it really well to form a nice smooth consistency of this white chocolate. Then I'm gonna pour some white chocolate in all these round cavities of this mold. As you can see, I'm just filling them about half, not completely. Once you are done filling these molds, you have to move this mold in all directions just so the white chocolate moves around and covers all sides of the walls of this mold completely, like no portion should be remaining, and you have to just follow the steps as shown in the video. Keep the tray inside the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Take the tray out and then add these small balls of the pan mixture that we had prepared earlier in the form of small balls. Just place them in the cavity of the molds. Make sure they are not too big and they do not come out of the mold. They should be completely inside the cavity of the mold. Once done, top all the chocolates with some white chocolate that we had melted earlier. Make sure to cover it from all the nooks and corner, and you should not be making the mistake that I just made. So yes, take good care of it, take your time and cover the chocolates with white chocolate completely. Do the same for all the chocolates and keep them in freezer for about 20 minutes. I've taken them out and now I'm just gonna trim off all the extra edges of the chocolate to give them a neater look. Top these chocolates with some dried rose petals and pistachios, and your pan chocolates are ready.
So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. Do let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the recipe. Also share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for my Instagram handle would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.